What's happening, folks? Another beautiful morning. We're back there at the same lake, same launch. Plan is to go back to where I was getting those bites from those fish that I kept saying I was getting bites at. We're gonna go make a beeline over there, start working that area, and then see how much further we want to go from there, and then come back. Again, you know the drill. 3 hours is all I got. It is 8:58. So we're gonna try to make the best of our 3 hours like we do every day we out here. But for starters, I'm gonna finish this little spot right here by the ramp. Come on, Nick. I just seen this bird munch on his bait, on his fish, and it made me mad. Because I know this fish over here. So, gonna fish this for about 5-10 minutes. And we're gonna roll on out, man. It is supposed to be a dead calm day today. Never really liked those kind of days, but that is what we have today. That's what the forecast says. So we're gonna have to make the best of it. We'll make a couple more casts over here, and then we fill out. Matter of fact, while I'm sitting over here, I might as well just tie on the lures that I'm missing. Lost a ChatterBait yesterday, or not yesterday, the day before. Lost a jig. Should just tie that on right now. Alright, we'll make one more cast and then we get out of here. Just had to see. We just had to check. Oh, that's not what I want to do. Oh, we got fish busting, dog. We gotta get out. We gotta go. I see fish busting right now. Oh my gosh. I was supposed to be getting out of here. See, this one be catching me, man. You start seeing fish buzz, you like, let me get some of that action, man. What's going on? It was a lot of chasing going on right here. Man. Look, there they go over there. They definitely chasing something. Oh yeah. We need to go find out what's popping. Whoa. Oh shit. What is that? Oh man. I don't know what that is. See if they come up again. Whatever it is. Oh, that was interesting. I don't see nothing on the graph. Where they chasing them to? Must be a lost opportunity because they're not getting busy no more. What was that? All right, let me get up out of here. I'm gonna tie on my chatterbait and get the rolling. Oh, my jerkbait. That's what I want to tie on. Yeah, tie on my jerkbait. See if we can get this fall little bite going, and then we make a beeline to our spot. There we go. There we go. Got us a little guy. Where you at? Where you at? Where you at? Come back over here, little guy. Come on. Come on, come on. Oh, yeah, that's not a little guy. That's not a little guy. How about that? Oh, yeah, you got that good. Let me get my pliers out. Cause you not about to stab me. Oh yeah, solid little fish, man. All right, another 17, 18-inch bass. We'll take him. Let's see what he go for. What he hitting for? Yeah, right at 18. Thanks, buddy. We definitely appreciate you. Now, be careful. There's a crankbait right there in the water. I don't want you to jump back on that, but you go on by yourself. All right, we did it, y'all. No skunk. No skunk today, and we're happy. Got us a little crankbait fish, man. I think there's more, but we're definitely gonna see what else we can get out there. See if we can catch some more off this little island point or whatever it is. whatever you fish guys call it. It's an island. I want to throw this jerkbait out there. I think I might be able to get something on that. Oh, bumped into something. Thought I had something. Thought I had something on there, boy. Let's work this spot a little bit more. Couple casts with this crankbait. And then I'm gonna see if this jerkbait can give me something. Is that what they eating? I think. Let me see. I like a dead fish. Oh damn! Something just came up and ate it. Where'd it go? Oh no, there it is. Oh my gosh, there's a huge school right in front of me. A school of something. It might be striper. Oh, there we go. Oh man. Oh, he was on. Yeah. Is that what that is? Listen, I don't know what shad look like. I think they look like a shad. I'm not a fish guy like that. But that's a fish. That's a bait fish for sure. Oh, he got some life in him. No, okay, maybe threadfin shad. Y'all tell me. Y'all know more about fish than I do. I just be out here throwing these lures, catching what I can catch. All right, peace, little buddy. Good luck to you, man. However long you last. As they chasing around. I mean, my lure ain't too far off from that color. Right? I mean, yeah, it's a little off, but yeah, whatever. Man, I couldn't get nothing in that little school to bite. I threw right in there, too. I got this chartreuse jerkbait tied on. I mean, that might be the wrong color, but it may be different enough that they're intrigued by it. Oh, we got a bite. We got a bite. What is that, a catfish? Oh, you stinking little fish. Oh my goodness, man. We don't want that. You little slimy little sucker. Okay. Where's my pliers at? Catfish on the jerkbait. Peace, buddy. That's not what we're looking for, but we'll take a little cat action. Accident is what it was, really. It was just sitting down there floating. He ate it. Man, that's the jerkbait fish we wanted. But we take all fish in the boat today. You know, man, I would love to get out here like at first light just to see what these fish are doing. really curious, but unfortunately, given my current situation, I can't make that happen unless I come on the weekend after the wife gets back. And even still, I don't know, man. Like I told y'all before, I came out here to check this place out Labor Day weekend. Just drove out here with my kids. There was so many boats, and I was like, yo. Nah, I don't know if I could come out here, man. So I mean, I know that was Labor Day weekend, you know, so a little more than normal as far as boat traffic goes. But shoot, man, there was a ton of scrap out here. So I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do that. We'll see. I mean, I might check it out one just to see how it is. I mean, the good thing about, like I said, this versus California, man, like there's more than one launch ramp. This lake is huge, man. So there's a multiple launch ramps I can go to. So some areas may be a little more quieter than others, but who knows? We'll figure it out. We'll check it out. All right, let me go mosey on over here. Should leave me about 30 something minutes to fish this area, and then I'm out. Close out with the jerk bait. I probably should have changed colors, given what I saw they was eating. Maybe like, I'll remember next time. Right there in front of me again. Eating. Mine. Why don't y'all want mine? Is it the color? I don't want that chartreuse. I'm gonna make a change. I'm gonna change this lure. I'm gonna change the color. You know what's about to happen? I'm gonna change this color. Oh my God. Look at this. Who's this right in front of me? Them stripes. Oh, yo. Oh God. Hey, that actually scared the crap out of me, man. Yeah, this is a little striper, man. Finally, you want to cooperate with your boy, man. Dang, I'm trying to catch y'all all doggone day. Man, I wasn't even recording. I'm sitting here talking to y'all this whole time. And I wasn't recording. Oh yeah, he ain't trying to play, dog. I was sitting here saying, I don't know if you can hear me on the back camera, but I was saying I was gonna change this lure up because I ain't know if the color was not what they wanted. So stop it. Stop it. And as soon as I did that, or said that, I threw this back in there, and this dude just tore it up, man. My goodness, bro. Oh, that's funny. And I'm sitting here talking to y'all. I was having a whole conversation with y'all, man. And I wasn't even recording, man. Hey, Ron. And you broke me off. Or did you? I can't tell. It looked like my line broke. Oh no, it's just the way you ate this thing. Oh, my goodness. Alright, finally got that out. That's how I make it out of here, man. All that fuss, man. This little dude. And I'm still mad that I was talking to y'all. Trying to get this doggone fish to bite. I mean, trying to decide whether or not to change these lures out to a different color. Something a little more, you know, matching the hatch. Oh my gosh. And that dude blew up and it scared the crap out of me. Hopefully the rear camera, how's mine? Hopefully the rear camera picks that up. Come on, where y'all at? I need to go. There we go. There we go. Oh, where's he at? Oh, is that another catfish? I think it's another catfish. It is. Man. I should have left. Oh my gosh. I should have left when I had the chance. Then I got to deal with this ugly old cat. Dang, man. Don't break me off, because I tied a bad knot, too. Got them rocks. Oh, my gosh. Dang, man, I didn't want this. He ate it too. Yeah. Come on, ugly. Oh, yeah, and you turn it and spin it. Just spin, yeah, spin that way. Get up in this doggone. Get up here. Ah. Up. Ah. I was gonna say my line just broke, but it didn't. Big old ugly boy, man. You big old ugly thing. Ugh, look at my, look at the line, son. It's got the slime all over it, man. Let's get this out first, and then we'll get you out. I don't want you flopping around, stabbing me. I knew I should have left. I don't want to end the video on a cat, though. But we might have to. We might have to, because we got to go. I don't even know how this dude is even in here. Bite down on that. We gonna lip you today, homie. Oh, my bad. I mean, hit you in the head with the net. Yeah. Slime ball catfish, man. All right. We getting out of here, man. Didn't mean to catch this guy, but we caught him on the jerk bait of all things, man. He ate it, but we gotta let him go. Old fat boy. You ain't that big. I caught bigger ones than you. All right. Peace out, man. Oh, what a cluster. All right, y'all. Listen, my boat's all slimed up. Oh, that's disgusting. I'ma roll. Do my outro right here, I guess, because I don't feel like you want to get back. But anyway, fun day. Short day, like always, 3 hours, but we did catch a bass. We did catch a striped bass, and we did catch 2 catfish. So it made it worth the trip for sure. We will be back out here soon. Now, next time I might try a different launch. I think I've exhausted what I want to do here. We'll try another spot and see what we can come up with. So I'm out of here, man. Mouth is all slimy. Thank y'all for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. There's plenty more to come. Hit that like button. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Watch out for future videos, and I'll see y'all next time. Oh yeah, leave me a comment, because you know what? I'll always get back with you. Peace.